Welcome students. Today we are going to see about the industry analysis. For that industry analysis, today we are going to see about the fast food industry. Introduction of the fast food industry. World largest growing industry is the fast food industry. Fast food industry growth is 40% per year, and then foreign investment in India is 1/4 of the investment. Total investment is done by the fast food industry. And then in the India, the market leader of the fast food industry is McDonald's. History of the fast food industry. The concept of the fast food is closely related with the urban development. In ancient Rome cities, the people are consumed the fast food as bread and wine, and East Asian countries, the peoples are consumed the fast food as noodles, and in India, the people are consuming some of the fast food in that most favorable fast food are pani puri, vada, pav bhaji, like that. Introduction to the fast food. The fast food, the term, it derived because of the foods are prepared quickly and easily, so that it's known as fast food. And most of the fast food is prepared with low quality and served to the customers in the packed form. The fast foods are sold in some of the places. That places are also having no shelter and seating facilities for the consumers and customers to consume the fast food. Some places, in some restaurants, where customers are sit comfortably and eat the fast food. Advantages of the fast food. Some of the advantages of the fast food is listed below. It consumes the time, it saves the time, because the people are prepare the food fastly and it saves the time. The next one is that it is cheap. The products are available at the cheap rate while compared with the other products, cooking products. The cooking food, for example, the people are ready to cook the product, but for cooking the product, first they are go and get the raw materials, and then spending lot of time for cutting and preparing the food. Well, compare it, the fast food is very cheap and it is delicious also, and the people are attracted by that delicious food. And the fast food industry are giving so many offers like discounts, coupons, points, extra points, buy one get one offer, like that. They are giving so many attractive offers to the customers and the consumers. These are the some of the advantages of the fast food. Here we are see some of the Indian fast food: pani puri, pav bhaji, samosa, vada. These are the some of the fast food consumed by the people of the India. North India, South India, East India, West India, all the people are consuming the fast food. Factor for the market growth of the fast food. People are working 24/7 basis, so they are not having enough time to cook the food. So they are moving to the, because not moving, they are pushing towards the fast food. That is also one of the factors for the market growth. Then in India, most of the peoples are youth in this 2020 periods. Youth are attracted by the fast food, so the market growth is also very large. And then people are ready to desire the fast food concept, ready to accept it, the fast food. So it is also a very good growth. And then people are nowadays working like with like a family. That means in a family there are two people or their parents, mother and father. They are also working, men and women also working. So due to the consume the time, they are moving to the fast food. That is also one of the factors for the market growth. And nowadays in India, the working women also increased, like increasing trend, it moving to the increasing that trend. They are not having much time to prepare the food, cooking food, so they are moved to the fast food. The last point, the last one of the most least factor is the expansion of the supermarket and mall. Due to the outlet, company outlet, so many places are there, so many malls are there, so many supermarkets are there. So the products are available at easily. Fast food products are available at easily. So the people are ready to buy it and consume it. That is also one of the factors for the market growth of fast food industry. Growth drives. The people are working together, father and mother, men and women. In the family, so many people are working, and the income is also good, and they are ready to offer the food easily. So while instead of cooking, they are ready to consume the food, the fast food easily. That is also one of the drives, growth drives. And due to the urbanization, so urbanization, they are getting the food easily at the near the doorsteps, or it is available in the malls and the supermarkets. And the youth population in our country is very high when compared with the other countries, like all over the world. The youth population is very high in India, so that is also one of the reason for the growth. The youth are ready to consume the food, accept the food, other countries food easily, and that is one of the reason of the market growth of the fast food industry. Adapting to India market. McDonald's entered in India only in 1996 after the liberalization. But the fast food first, it is not easily accepted by the Indian people. It is one of the major difficulties for the fast food in India, and people in India still believe in cooked food is only healthy for their family members. These are the some of the leading players in India: McDonald's, Domino's Pizzas, KFC, and the Pizza Hut. These are the some of the leading players in India fast food industry. McDonald's. McDonald's, so many employees are working there, and then they are having 33 outlets in all over the world. The company have the uniform taste of their product in all the outlets in all the countries, and mostly the brand name McDonald's, the brand name is very popular all over the world. So it also reflected in the fast food. So the people are ready to consume it because of the brand name. The next player is the Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizzas were opened in India in 1996. They are having the 9,000 outlets in 60 nations, 60 countries. And the Domino's Pizzas revenue is mostly came from the 70 percentage of the revenue is they are getting through the door delivery. Because of the door delivery, their customers are ready to consume it. So they get the revenue, most of the revenue from the 70% of the revenue from the door delivery. And the Domino's has the largest network in India, having 101 outlets in India. The next one is the Pizza Hut. That is mostly famous for the Pizzas, veg pizzas, non-veg pizzas, paneer pizzas, spinach pizzas, so many pizzas are there. They are having 34 outlets in all over the country, and they are having 3 lakh employees working in the Pizza Hut. They are specialized in pizzas, and they are offering the products at the free door delivery services. One of the reasons for the growth of the market. The next one is the KFC. KFC company is the world largest number one chickens. The products are very crispy, and the motto is crispy outside and juicy inside. This is the motto of the KFC, and the KFC outlets are having 18,000 outlets in all over the world in around 115 countries. And these are the some of the fast food menu available in India. Top 5. The first place goes for the pizzas, second place goes for the burger, and third one is the preferable French fries, and fourth one is the popcorn chicken, and fifth one is the beverages in India. Then recent innovations by the fast food industry. Company website also available in the internet. The people are ready to buy it through the website using the internet, and then mobile app is there, one touch, and then it is available at the door delivery the products, and it is easy to pay the amount to the company through the online payment mode. They are following the so many marketing strategies, the fast food companies. One of the strategies, promotional and advertisement campaigns are there. Through coupons, discounts, buy one, get one offer, family pack is there. The 4 products are there. 2 products are free, and then festival offers are there. And they are following the distribution strategy for offering the fast food to the customers. They are promising that they are give the food delivery the food within the 30 minutes, quick time. Wherever you there, they are coming and give the food at nearby your door within 30 minutes. And then uses of technology, internet, mobile apps are there. Through that they are easily market the products to the customers and the consumers. And they are following the premium pricing strategies available at 99 rupees, and the products are available at 59 rupees, and then rupees 199, rupees 499, like that. So many pricing strategies are following by the fast food companies. Recent trends of the fast food companies industry. Nowadays the company or industry, the fast food industry, are focusing the children's, marketing the products to the children's. The people are the of the people of the Indian people are very connected with the children. While the children are ordering the products, the parents are buying and giving the foods to the children. Then value-added technology services, they given the points offers to the customers and the consumers who are regularly buy the products, and the paying the food is very easily and comfortably to the customers and the consumers. They are paying the amount easily through the online mode. Market share of the fast food company, Domino's or get the 20% of the market share, and the McDonald's had the 11% of the market share, KFC 9%, Pizza Hut 8%, and other companies are occupying 40% of the market share. Challenges faced by the fast food industry. Fast food, while the food is cooking very fast, it is not good for health. That is the major challenges faced by the fast food industry. And they are having the only the less variety of the products while compared with the cooked food. And the VAT is also more in the food consumed by the customers and consumers of the fast food. In the fast food, the VAT is also always more. It is not good for health, and it is not available in the towns and rural areas. It is the major challenges faced by the fast food industry. If there is a challenges, there is also some remedies are also there. Some of the remedies also here. The fast food industry expand the product lines as well as the expand the franchises, expand the companies all over the India, and they are giving the healthy offering to healthy conscious consumers. Like we are giving the vegetarian products, and we are giving the vegetables, more vegetables to the products, and we are offering the spinach products as well as they are giving the offerings. Through the festival offerings, the customers and consumers are not having enough time to prepare food, so they are offered the fast food and get it and sit and have it along with the family members. And the company industry also expand the product lines as well as they expand the franchises in all over the towns as well as the rural areas. These are the some of the analysis of the fast food industries. Thank you for watching and listening. Thank you. Thank you.